Welcome students. In this video we are going to study a very interesting topic, lens formula and magnification of chapter 10th, light, reflection and refraction of class 10th. It is a very important topic from the point of view of exams too, because many questions related to it are frequently asked in the board exams. So we will study in this video the lens formula, various formulae of magnification, sign conventions for the lenses, various tricks to solve the numericals, and also we will solve an exercise problem of NCERT. So let us start with the lens formula. Lens formula gives a relation between the image distance, object distance and the focal length. We know we represent image distance by letter V and object distance by a small letter u and focal length of a lens by small letter f. So the relation between these three is 1 by v minus 1 by u equal to 1 by f. This is called lens formula. And a relation between the height of image and height of object is given by magnification, which is represented by small letter m. And it is equal to h2 by h1, where h2 is the height of image and h1 is the height of object. This magnification is also related to image distance and object distance, as it is equal to v by u. So both of these formulae can be used to solve the numericals. Now let us check what are the sign conventions for the lenses. Just consider a convex lens, and we know the center of lens is called as optical center, which is represented by capital O. Let us draw a principal axis through this optical center and also a perpendicular line through this optical center. Now this is very similar to the graph we obtain in the mathematics, that we draw the x-axis and y-axis perpendicular to each other, and at the intersection there is an origin. Similarly here optical center will work as the origin. Just like in the mathematical graphs, values on the right side of the origin on x-axis will be taken as positive, and values on the left of the origin are taken as negative values. So any distance which is towards the right of the lens will be taken as positive, and which is towards the left of the lens will be taken as negative distance. Keep in mind that we will always take the direction of incident light from left to the right. Now the distances which are above the origin on the y-axis will be taken as positive distances. So all the distances above the principal axis will be taken as positive distances, and the distances below the principal axis will be taken as negative distances. So these are the sign conventions for lenses. It will be true for the concave lens too, and it is very similar to the sign conventions for the mirrors. In the mirrors we take the origin as the pole, and here we are taking origin as the optical center of the lens. Now we will check the various signs of V, U and F for the concave and convex lenses. Let us consider convex and concave lenses simultaneously. First let us consider object distance. As I am saying, we are considering the light incidenting from left to right always. So the object will be always towards the left of the lens. So the left distances are negative. So object distance will always be taken as negative in both the cases, whether the lens is convex or concave. Object distance will always be negative. Next is focal length. For the convex lens, if the light is incidenting from left of the lens, then it will converge at a point towards the right of the lens. So the distances towards right of the lens are taken as positive. So focal length of convex lens will be taken as positive always, and for concave lens it will be taken as negative, because concave lens diverges the light rays, and it appears that all that diverging rays are coming from a point which is towards the left of the concave lens, which is called as focus. So focal length of concave lens is negative. And now the image distance. In case of convex lens, image can be towards the right of the lens or towards the left of the lens. So it is not fixed for the convex lens that V is either positive or negative. It can be both negative and positive. We have to check it from the numerical. And for the concave lens, V is always negative, because the image formed in the concave lens is always towards the left of the lens. Next we will see what are the significances for magnification. Magnification can be positive or negative. If magnification comes out to be positive, then it says the image would be erect, and erect image would always be virtual. And if the magnification comes out to be negative, then it would mean the image is inverted, and inverted image is always real. So from the sign of magnification we can easily find the nature of image, that whether it is virtual and erect or it is inverted and real. And also from the magnitude of magnification we can check whether the image is diminished, it is equal to the size of object, or it is enlarged from the object. If the magnitude of magnification is less than 1, then image formed would be diminished. And if the magnitude of magnification is equal to 1, then it would mean the size of image is equal to the size of object. Object and image would be of same size. If magnification comes out to be greater than 1, then it would mean the image formed is enlarged as compared to object. So both the sign as well as the magnitude of magnification are important, and they give a very important information about the image formed. So keeping these tricks in mind, we will now solve an exercise problem of NCERT. The question is, an object 5 cm in length is held 25 cm away from the converging lens of focal length 10 cm. We have to draw the ray diagram and find the position, size and nature of the image formed. What is given? It is given that we have converging lens. That means we have convex lens. And the focal length of convex lens is given as 10 cm. So we have f is equal to 10 cm. And since it is convex lens, focal length would be positive. Also it is given that an object 5 cm in length. That means we have given the size of object, which is h1, is equal to 5 cm. Next it is given that the object is held 25 cm away from the lens. That means it is the object distance which is 25 cm from the lens, and the object distance is always negative because the object will be towards the left of the lens. Next we have to find the position. That means we have to find V, size, that means h2, and nature of the image. That means we have to find simply the magnification, and also we have to draw the ray diagram for the given example. So let us find the image distance first using the lens formula. Lens formula says 1 by V minus 1 by U equal to 1 by F. And we have to find V. So for V it will be 1 by V is equal to 1 by F plus 1 by U. Now we will substitute the value of F and U in this formula. We will get 1 by V 1 by f means 1 by 10 plus 1 by u, which is minus 25. Now we will solve it. These sign will combine to give a negative sign. LCM of 25 and 10 would be 50, and here it will come 5 minus 2. It will give you 3 by 50. It is a value of 1 by v. So to get v, we have to take reciprocal on both the sides. It will give you v equal to 50 by 3 centimeter, or in decimals we can write it as 16.67 centimeter. So this is the value of image distance, 16.67 centimeter. Next we have to find h2, that is size of the image or height of the image. For this we have to find the magnification. Magnification is equal to h2 by h1, which is also equal to v by u. The value of v we have already found, 6.67 centimeter, and u is given minus 25. So magnification will come out to be v 50 by 3. We are putting it in fractions, and u is minus 25. Solving it, we will get minus 2 by 3. This is the magnification, minus 2 by 3. Next we have to find h2. For h2 by h1, h1 is given as 5 centimeter, which is equal to v by u, that means minus 2 by 3. h2 will come out to be minus 10 by 3, which is equal to minus 3.33 centimeter. This is the height of image, minus 3.33 centimeter, but the height of object is 5 centimeter. So we can clearly see h2 is less than h1, that means the size of image is diminished as compared to the object. And what about the nature of image formed? We have magnification is equal to minus 2 by 3. Negative sign of magnification tells us that the image formed is inverted and real. So the nature of image formed is real and inverted. And also from the magnitude of magnification, we can easily see it is less than 1. So we can also say the size of image is diminished as compared to the object. So now we will draw the ray diagram for this example. At first we will draw the converging lens, that is convex lens. We will also mention the important points such as the optical center O, a principal axis passing through the optical center. We will take focus at equal distances on both the side and mention it as f1 and f2. And also we will take 2f1 at the double distance of focal length, 2f1 and 2f2. It is given that the focal length of lens is 10 cm. So we will mention it here that this length is 10 cm. So automatically the distance of 2f from the optical center will become 20 cm. We have given that the object is at 25 cm from the lens and the sign is negative, that means object is towards the left of the lens. So we will draw an object AB beyond 2f and mention it that this object is at 25 cm from the optical center. Also the height of object is 5 cm. Keep in mind that you don't need to draw the exact ray diagram using these measurements. Just draw the ray diagram as you draw without any measurement and mention it there what are the values given to you. Now a ray which is parallel to the principal axis will pass through the focus after refraction. Second ray we will draw passing through the optical center, which will go undeviated. And these two rays are meeting at this point. So this point will be the image of point A and the image of AB would be A dash B dash. Height of image would be 3.33 centimeter. Also it is negative, which means the image formed is negative, which is also true here. The height of image is 3.33 centimeter. And the image distance is 16.67 centimeters. So the distance between optical center and this point B dash would be 16.67 centimeters. So here the object given is beyond 2f and the image is formed between f and 12. Image formed is diminished as well as real and inverted. In this way, you can easily solve all the numericals of NCERT as well as other books with the help of various tricks I have told in this video. This is all about the lens formula and magnification. Thank you.